real quick, I'm gonna add this in the beginning of the video. I forgot to mention it. Please like the video, helps the channel out a ton. I'm trying to do this more often, trying to upload more consistently. So if you guys can please like the video, show your support. Thank you. Here you go. I'm excited about this. We're doing a JDM conversion. So this is long awaited. It is hot as hell, by the way, today. This is long awaited. Doing the JDM conversion on the rear of the white Civic. So as depending how long you've been subscribed to my channel, you know that this is the conversion from the black Honda that I had, that I got rid of. Then I have new tails. So I'm not gonna be using these anymore. Those are gonna look amazing on the white. I've had these probably for about a year or so. Just in the boxes, haven't even, I opened them to look at them, that's it. But, so I'm gonna get this rear bumper off, or I'm not gonna take it off completely. I'm gonna just sag it down a little bit so I can get that tail light out, so I can cut up where I need to cut up to fit the JDM lights. Let me just take out the wheels. So what I was trying to avoid was taking the wheels off, but I'm gonna have to take them off because it was too tight, and I gotta take this screw off. This one I could take off with what I had already. This one I couldn't, so I'm gonna just go ahead and take the wheels off so I can get that done quicker and better. So we got this side cut out as well. Just gotta throw paint on it to prevent the rust. Cousin Robert did all the work. I just supervised. So we're gonna probably take out the bumper because this shit is disgusting in the bottom. Pressure wash it. But it's gonna look good with the tail lights. I can't wait. So this before, sprayed it with the greaser. And we're just gonna pressure wash it. Yep. Yep. Looks good. So the line's pretty decent. This is an OEM CSX trunk, but never lines up perfect here. It's off by like 1/8 of an inch or so. You can see it. It's kind of annoying. I'm gonna add the bump stop to see. This side is pretty decent. I'm really hyped on how the clears look on the Civic. What are you guys' opinion? Should I go OEM or should I have gone OEM or the clears? I think the clears look pretty good. This looks good. With the lights on. It's like a Panda. So that's how the clears look installed. I think they look amazing. Oh. Just gotta get that painted to match. And I gotta add a little bit of more camber. I just grinded that, as you guys saw, and it's still not sitting flush. I could add like tire shine to get it to sit, but add a little bit, then it'll air out all the time without a problem. But yeah, it doesn't even look bad with a black trunk. So thank you guys for watching. That's gonna be all for today. Like I said, I think it looks great. Give me your opinions. Wingless JDM conversion. This is the night view. I went with the clear blinkers, and then obviously red LEDs for brakes and parking lights. And I haven't wired the reverse, but that's easy.